the leader of the House. He was responsible for the appointment of Saldico. Although Saldico was elected on the floor.
Ayan mismo, sinasabi niya, he is responsible with Zaldico. So para bang sinasabi nila pag nag-guilty si Zaldico, responsible si Romualdez. Pero merong problema eh. Yun nga mismo sinabi niya. Ano yun? That Zaldico was elected. Although it was the choice of Romualdez bilang speaker, pero remember, kahit ba choice niya yan, sa batas, hindi ganun. Sa batas, binoboto yan ng House. So, walang direct na appointment kasi by law, chairman of that appropriation or that committee is voted. So, walang direktang sa batas na may pananagutan si Romualdez. Although in the eyes of the people, and we all know by theory na talaga naman ina-appoint, sinasabi ko anong desisyon ng speaker, yun ang masusunod. Kaya lang, hindi naman po kasi ganun ang batas. Ang problema, hinahanap natin, mananagot ba siya sa batas? Walang ganun eh. Kasi nga, the law says, binoto siya eh. So, sa madaling salita, technically, lulusot si Romualdez.